What's happening, Kim Folk? Welcome back to Channel Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you today, man. We are actually on our way to LOUDMOUTH Cycles over here in Pearland, Texas, and today is Sunday, July 10th, because they are actually donating something for the raffle for Bubba's benefit as well. Appreciate you guys. I'm headed down there now. We're gonna stop there and snatch whatever he's got up. Snatch it up. Snatch what? Not what he's got, but you know what I'm saying. Steven, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, if y'all seen my channel before, man, you know about LOUDMOUTH Cycles. They're amazing people there as well. Steven's a really great guy, man. So make sure y'all hit him up on Instagram. Also follow him on Facebook, and I'll leave their link down below. Also, man, they do all kinds of stuff. But once we get there, I'll show you the shop, and then we'll see what Steven's gonna donate. So appreciate it, brother, and we'll be there here in a little bit. See ya. All right, Kim folk, we're about to pull in over here to LOUDMOUTH Cycles. So let's check it out. Alright, we made it, Kim folk. Let's see if he's here. Alright, Kim folk. Here at LOUDMOUTH Cycles with Steven, which is the owner, man. Appreciate you letting us come by, man.
Yes, sir.
And we definitely appreciate the donation. So, LOUDMOUTH Cycles has donated a Simpson helmet for the raffle. I mean, how dope is that, man? So, super stoked about that. You know, he knows Bubba. He's met Bubba before, so it really means a lot to us that they came up with that and were willing to help out as well. So, but for everybody that hasn't seen my other videos, man, kind of tell people what you do here at LOUDMOUTH Cycles. I mean, it's the shop is awesome, man, and they're super busy. So, but give them a little info on what y'all do here and what kind of stuff you can get customers for their bikes.
Yeah, for sure. So for the longest, thanks to teaming up with Simpson, we've been the only Simpson distributor in town for a long time. I know a bigger branded company picked them up, but we still, I think, have more inventory on Simpson helmets, as you can see them across here. But virtually, we do everything from the latest and greatest to performance baggers. We do the Cali style or the club style dynas. Yes, we've been known for big wheel baggers, but our biggest thing probably is Whack Wire Wednesday. If you follow us on Instagram, we're working on the YouTube thing. It's a lot of editing. But Whack Wire Wednesday, if you have an issue with your bike, we're the place to bring it to. We can fix it. Go from there. We also do custom painting, accessories. We are the only heatwave dealer in town, so if you need some shades, safety glasses, whatever you want, heatwave visuals got us. So yeah, man, we just try to cover it all. And then obviously, you know, sorry about what happened, but hey, man, we're here to help out in any way, shape, or form.
I appreciate it, brother. I appreciate it. And man, LOUDMOUTH, Steven here, man, LOUDMOUTH has always been, he's always down to help the community out, man. He's always doing stuff for the community. So if you're local or even if you're in the outside of the Houston area, we're in Pearland.
We're in Pearland, greater Houston kind of area, but we do drop ship anything, anywhere in the world. We got multiple warehouses, so if you need something, hey, we'll match the price, possibly even beat it, and drop ship it to you.
There you go. So anytime you want to stop by, man, they're here Monday through Friday, so come check them out. Make sure you check them out on Instagram as well and Facebook too, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Facebook as well. So, and then like I said, this is actually where I got my performance machine grips from. So I grabbed those from here the last time we were out here, man, and they actually helped Myra and Bubba. They had a lot of communication between each other because when they ordered my Simpson helmet, they got it from here as well. So Steven was a big help with that, man. So again, come check him out. If you got any questions for him, give him a shout. I'll post his number. I'll post all the links down below as well, man. And then again, brother, I really appreciate everything, man. And hopefully you can make it out. And yeah, if you can't, I mean, if you can, then hopefully y'all get to talk to him in person and see him there at the benefit as well. So, but that's it, Kimfolk. Another raffle item to the list, and this one here ain't no joke either. So super.
We'll just give you a little peek here.
Oh man! Oh my God!
So that limited edition gold that everybody wants. He gets the last one.
Gosh, dude, that is sick. So sick. I haven't even opened it. I didn't even know what color it was. That is dope. That is dope. So there you go. All right. Well, hope to see y'all at the benefit again, man. July 30th, Southern Star Brewery down in Conroe, Texas. and it's going to be from 3 to 7 p.m. So hope to see you there. Again, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.